Good day, everyone, and welcome to today's market technical and fundamental breakdown for the time period of May 27th to May 31st. My name is Anthony Phillips Njoku, and I'm the founder of 10x Digital Lane, where everyone who has a knowledge gap in digital trading can be able to learn the right knowledge, get the right education, and the right guidance to be able to achieve success in trading. Okay, so good evening, Atama. Good evening, Atama. Happy Sunday, Atama, and marvelous, profitable new week for all of us, I believe. Good evening, Michael. Good evening, Daniel. Best wishes to everyone. Best wishes to you as well, Michael. So, with that said, how this market technical and fundamental breakdown goes is that we're going to be analyzing the market in three segments. Okay, we analyze market with technical analysis, and we analyze market with fundamental analysis, and lastly we analyze market with sentiment analysis. Okay, and we'll be using the various softwares we are partnering with, TradingView, MyFX Book, to be able to carry out this analysis. Okay, so if this is your first time, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell icon on. So whenever we go live, you're going to join us to be able to get this information constantly. So with that said, let me share my screen. Okay, I have shared my screen. If you can see my screen, please type Forex on the comment section. I have shared my screen. If you can see my screen, type Forex on the comment section. I have shared my screen. If you can see my screen, type Forex on the comment section. Okay, if you can see my screen, type Forex on the comment section. Okay, Michael can see my screen. Fantastic. So what you're currently looking at, guys, is DXY, the strength of dollar, DXY. And on the chart, I already explained to you guys on our free Forex class yesterday, the market operates based on demand and supply. When price got to this level, the strength of dollar got to this level, there was massive demand for dollar. So the price of dollar style was increasing in value. There was massive demand. Okay, this is when dollar was increasing in value, getting strong against every other currency. At this point, this was when dollar was high in value and there was massive supply of dollar. This is when it was decreasing in value. It was decreasing in value. There was massive supply of dollar. Okay. Okay, so what I see currently for DXY, which is the strength of the dollar, is because we have a trend established here already. We have a trend established here already. Okay, and I see that there is high chances that this market will what respect this trend line. Okay, which is an uptrend line, and continue pushing to the upside. Nevertheless, okay, nevertheless, we also have what a downward trend line over here. We have a downward trend line over here, which what has been broken. That is one courage I see about the market. Okay, but this is effect. Okay, this is not cause. Trading trend lines are effect, but this is not cause. But why I'm analyzing this market this way right now is because when it comes to the market maker pyramid, okay, the market maker analyzes the market and sees the way retail traders trade. But us, we're analyzing the market and trading what as the banks. Okay, so I don't trade effects. I'll be deleting this. I trade cause, and based on cause currently, guys, I see demand here. I see demand over here. Why do I see demand over here? This is a change of character. Okay, this is a change of character whereby the trend has moved from being bearish in structure And when I say being bearish in structure, this is what I mean: creating lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows. Okay, it has now created what? A high. What? After a high, it created a lower high and then a higher high. This is a change in structure. Okay, not to get things complex for the beginners, we are now on a bullish trend, okay, for dollar. So we're looking for buy opportunities for dollar, and dollar came into this demand zone well off. Okay, what I anticipate when the market opens up exactly by 10 p.m. West African time, and our discount is going to be over by 10 p.m. West African time. So if you don't pay 10,000 naira for our 1 month mentorship, it is over. You don't get it anymore. You have to pay 72,000 naira for the 1 month mentorship on our website www.10digitallane.com, and you're going to have access to me one-on-one, okay, if you're in Enugu, and online on Zoom if you're far from me, not in Enugu. Okay, so you have just few minutes left for you to grab this discount opportunity. With that said, once market comes back into this demand level, give us a little corrective structure, we're going to be looking for buy setups for dollar to push it up to the upside, giving dollar strength at the beginning of the week. Dollar is going to gain some strength at the beginning of the week. So let's go to the next pair: Euro USD. Euro USD. The market is currently at a resistance zone, which is also a supply zone. Euro USD is 80% to 90% correlated with the dollar. So if dollar is at a demand zone, Euro USD will be at a supply zone. It is correlated. It is doing the inverse. Okay, so currently euro against the dollar, or euro USD, means that 1 euro is equivalent to, when the market closed, 1 euro was equivalent to $1.08. $1.08. That's what it means by this point. Okay, so because we saw DXY at a demand level, euro USD as a supply level, and as soon as the market opens up, I'm anticipating what? A drop on euro USD. Okay, a drop on euro USD. Okay, this drop now is going to be more like a corrective structure, and for me now, we can now start anticipating for buy setups. But I want this drop to be completed first on euro USD. I want this drop to be completed first on euro USD. Okay, because it's at a supply zone. I never buy at a supply zone except this supply zone is broken to the upside. That's when I will buy. When the supply zone has been turned into a demand zone, that's when I'll buy. But since the market is at a supply zone, I'm anticipating for sell opportunity, because you can see a sell trend on euro USD, a smooth sell trend on euro USD. Okay, so the trend is your friend. We're trading with the trend. So I'm anticipating a sell on euro USD. Okay, as soon as the market opens up Monday, Tuesday. But before the week ends up, we can expect strength to come into euro. Okay, we can expect strength to come into euro and then a push to the upside. The next is AUD USD. AUD USD. It's loading up, guys. If you have any questions, drop it on the comment section. Okay, Daniel, I can see that you can see our screen. You replied Forex on the comment section. Chukoka Ezugu, I can see you can see my screen. You replied Forex on the comment section. Good. If you have any questions, drop it on the comment section as we wait for AUD charts to load. Fantastic. So AUD USD was one of those trade signals I sent to everyone on Friday. Trade opportunity on AUD USD on Friday. Okay, so like I told you guys, I'm anticipating dollar to gain some strength as soon as the market opens up. These was our two trading opportunities we called out on AUD USD last week. It was successful. Sell AUD USD on a Monday, and we also sold AUD USD on a Wednesday, and it was successful. We made massive profits. One is to 3. twice, which was 6% profit. If you risk 1%, you're making 6% on your account in just 2 trades recorded. Okay, so don't miss out. Join our group, our VIP group, our paid group, and also our free group to get these signals. So for AUD/USD, I'm expecting dollar to gain strength as soon as the week opens up. So if dollar gains strength as soon as the week opens up, I'm expecting a corrective structure into this what? This return to origin with this demand level. When it comes to demand level, we're looking for buy setups of AUD/USD moving to upside and aiming for the psychological level of 0.7. For AUD/USD, once it comes back to this demand level and we see our buy setups, we'll be going for the psychological level. We're heading for the psychological level 0.67. Okay, so I already analyzed Euro/USD. Let's go to the sentiment. We'll check out Euro/USD sentiment and AUD/USD sentiment. So forex sentiment is the feeling or perception of market participants towards a currency pair. It is an essential aspect of forex trading as it plays a crucial role in determining the direction of the market. Forex sentiment is driven by a wide range of factors, including economic data, geopolitical events, news events, and trends. So we're checking out what market participants are thinking about currency pairs, both the banks, the companies, hedge funds, investment banks, and retail traders. So for this, I see sentiment is 58% short, 42% long for Euro/USD. That's why I told you as soon as the market opens up and expecting dollar to gain some strength. So our bias is still accurate. Then for AUD/USD, the bias on AUD/USD is more of longs, 52%. Okay, so I will not be looking for sell opportunities on AUD/USD. Instead, I'm looking for buy opportunities. Once market comes back into our demand zone, we'll be placing buy on AUD/USD and I'll be capitalizing on the move to the upside. Then the next on our list, is GBP/USD. GBP/USD. So for GBP/USD, we have similar structure with Euro/USD and GBP/USD. Okay, GBP/USD is currently at a supply zone or a resistance zone, you can call it. And I am always interested in resistance zones. Okay, currently GBP is at a resistance zone and it triggered a pending order I had. Okay, so for this now, I'm anticipating a little push to the upside as the market opens up by 10. Now start looking for our buy setups for on GBP/USD. Okay, but it's going to drop first. Okay, towards the demand zone. 10 pounds lose some strength. It's currently at a high zone. Okay, so let's be mindful about that and take note of that. Let's see what sentiment has to say about GBP/USD. Okay, so sentiment on GBP/USD. Where is GBP/USD? Okay, sentiment on GBP/USD, you can see short is 82%, long is 18%. So we're looking for shorts, we're not looking for longs. Generally, this is what the bias of retail traders are saying. Institutional traders are saying. So 82% of traders are shorting GBP/USD, they're not looking for buys. Okay, it's only AUD/USD that are looking for buys, but Euro/USD and GBP/USD are looking for sells. The structure is similar. Euro and GBP, they have similar structure. Then the next on our list, which is one of the most popular ones you guys love, XAUUSD. Okay, so for gold, I'm looking for my buy setups. I'm not interested for sell setups for gold right now. So what I expect for gold is that it could still go up, grab liquidity within here. Okay, grab some liquidity with this resistance zone over here, and then it drops. Okay, from here it grabs liquidity and then it drops towards this demand zone. from this demand zone now, you can start pushing to the upside, okay, towards psychological level of $2,400 per ounce. 2000. There are some orders it needs to grab here, okay. But I can see a stop hunt. Once there's a stop hunt, okay, there's going to be what, which is manipulation. There's going to be a sell-off for gold, okay, to also take liquidity below this low. So I'm not interested for this short. I'm interested for this long, okay. It has oversold to me. So XAUUSD, XAUUSD, XAUUSD. This is XAUUSD. So sentiment is saying 50-50, neutral. Sentiment is saying 50-50, but me, I have my own bias. My own bias is long, okay. But currently at the point where it is, I'm not buying. I'm not buying. I'm not selling, okay. When it gets into this demand zone, then I'll start looking for my buy setups for gold, okay. Psychological level is $310 per ounce. Psychological level is $310 per ounce for gold. Then I start looking for my buy setups. Then the last on our list is Bitcoin, the people's coin. Bitcoin, the people's coin. So for Bitcoin, we were aware that there was an announcement of sorry guys. There was an announcement of the Ethereum ETF being launched. The Ethereum ETF have been launched, and when the Ethereum ETF was launched, was at this point, okay. After that, there was a massive spike in the market, and the market moved up. This is more like a corrective structure to retest this zone, this supply zone on BTC. I'm expecting more drop towards psychological level of 66,000. Okay, I'm expecting a drop towards psychological level of 66,000. Once it gets to the psychological level of 66,000, then we can now start expecting what, more push to the upside for Bitcoin. Okay, it's going to head towards the psychological level of 66,000. Okay. Once it gets here, then we're not start anticipating a push to the upside. Chikwado Silas says he loves. I'm in love with your analysis, my mentor. You're welcome, Chikwado. Chikwado, you're welcome. We're here because of you. My passion is leadership and financial freedom. So what makes me happy is that you're understanding this information, and you can be able to use this information to make money in the market and become less bothered about money issues, okay, and live the life that you love. That's why I'm doing what I'm doing, okay. So currently, like I said, Bitcoin, we're expecting it to come back to $66,000, and when it comes back here, then we'll now start looking for the proper move to the upside, okay, the massive rally to the upside, and then the bull run proper starts. The bull run proper starts for Bitcoin. That's what I see currently for Bitcoin. So with that said, let's dive down to the next segment, which has to do with our fundamental analysis. Okay, guys, I always used to announce to you guys that the banks analyze the market 20% technicals, 80% fundamentals. The technicals are more like the body, while the fundamentals are the blood. Banks use time. Okay, they use time and a particular price to provide liquidity in the market. Okay, if you have studied ICT very well, you should know that banks use what? Time over here and what? Price to provide liquidity in the market. Okay, so why we are studying about this particular news event is to know the geopolitical event happening in the world for the week, May 27th to the last day of the month. Okay, I think it's 31st of May. Okay, so let's dive into it. IFO business climate. IFO business climate has to do with what business is in Germany, to be precise. You see this flag here, Germany, to be precise. Euro is going to affect euro. Things about the economy of Germany. Okay, so Germany use euro to trade their day-to-day transaction, and tomorrow Monday by 9 a.m. we're going to see information. Currently, they're anticipating. Analysts are saying that the consensus, which is the business atmosphere in Germany, is positive, which means that 90.3 is higher than 89.4. So business climate, it means what businesses are talking about. Let me use Nigeria for example. I met a friend last week Saturday. a week yesterday, and he told me that his electricity bill increased from 1 million naira per month at a hotel he owns to 3 million naira per month. So if I am to meet that person and tell him what does he think about the business climate in Nigeria, that person is going to have a negative comment. Okay, so what this business climate means now is that people in Germany are saying that yes, we are happy about the business condition, the tax we pay, paying our employees is easy, and so on and so forth. Okay, rent for our accommodations is easy, uh, producing our product is more affordable, and so on and so forth. Okay, that's what this business climate means. So by 9 a.m. tomorrow, if this information stays positive, euro will be strong. But if this information stays lower, if we get figure like 89.5, euro will be weak. We're going to see massive sell-off on euro, and this could be the trigger we need to sell euro to the downside against dollar. Remember what I showed you guys here, guys. Like I told you, we're combining fundamental, sentimental, and technical analysis together. As a pro trader, you need to be able to use common sense to do this. Very important. Once you have been able to align these three analyses together, bro, you'll be profitable in the market. You'll be profitable once you figure out a strategy that will help you analyze the market and combine these three analysis together, you'll be profitable. So from this area now, we are at this level for euro USD. So from this level now, which is a supply, we're expecting sell. Okay, so two, sentiment is telling us that euro USD, we have a lot of sellers. Let's combine the three so you understand. We have a lot of sellers. 58% of people are selling euro against the dollar. Then we go to what? Fundamental. Over here, we have by 9 a.m. tomorrow morning, Monday morning, business climate. If the business climate turns out negative, euro USD will start selling massively by 9 a.m. Massively. And I think this is the trigger we need. This news will turn out negative based on what I see on the chart. This is the liquidity. This is the trigger. This is the main trigger that will pull the bullets for euro USD to start selling. So with that said, on Tuesday, May 28, 2024, we have Australian dollar retail sales month over month early in the morning by 2:30 a.m. Okay, retail sales, it has to do with retail stores, people that sell products, supplements, services. Okay, their sales, did it increase or did it reduce? Okay, so over here, analysts are saying that it is going to increase to 0.3%, which is higher than minus 0.4%. And if this happens, this could be the trigger we need to see AUD USD go to the upside on Tuesday. So I am anticipating on Monday, AUD USD will be correct to our demand zone. On Tuesday by 2:30 a.m., this is the trigger we need to see liquidity going to AUD against dollar and start pushing to the upside. Then early in the morning, London session, we have Bank Austria manufacturing PMI. It has to do with the manufacturing sector in Austria, which is going to affect euro early in the morning on Tuesday, 9 a.m. If this figure turns out to be positive, like currently we see 44 against 43.5. If we see something like 44.5 or 45, then euro USD is going to be buying. This could give euro strength on Tuesday, London session. But if we see a figure lower than 44, it's going to give euro negative sentiment, and nobody is going to be buying euro against dollar. Instead, they'll be selling euro against dollar. The same with Australian dollar. If we see something lower than 0.3, nobody is going to be buying AUD against USD. You have to be disciplined with this stuff. You have to be very disciplined, to be honest with you. Whenever a fundamental news comes out and a currency turns out negative, don't be in a rush to buy that currency. Okay, so Chukwuka Ezubu has a question. He says, sir, which app do you use for this analysis? Okay, I use two apps. I mentioned it at the beginning. The first one is TradingView. TradingView, this is the app I use, TradingView, to analyze the chart. And then the second one is my FX book. You can see it up here, my FX book. Okay, it gives me fundamental and sentiment analysis. Okay, so on Wednesday we have monthly CPI indicator for AUD. If we have the CPI higher than 3.4, it's going to make AUD strong. CPI is a very important news. Watch out for it on Wednesday, 2:30 a.m. Okay, if we have CPI higher than 3.4, it's going to be good. And I see this is inflation figures, and inflation has been increasing massively on AUD. So I anticipate AUD strong on Wednesday. Consumer confidence in Japan, okay, is going to affect yen. If we see consumer confidence to be higher than 38.9, then Japanese yen will be strong on Wednesday by 6 a.m. But if we see consumer confidence to be lower than 38.9, then Japanese yen will be weak. Then early 7 a.m., we have consumer confidence for euro. Okay, if we see a figure higher than -23, then euro will be strong. If you see a figure lower than -23, let me say we see -22. -22 is higher than -23. It's going to make euro to be strong on Wednesday. But if we see something lower than -23, like -24.0, it's going to make euro USD to be weak, to be selling, and euro will be strong, weak. Sorry. Then early in the morning, 8 a.m. on Wednesday as well, we have retail sales. We have retail sales on euro as well, Spain. Okay, retail sales year over year and retail sales month over month. If you see a figure higher than 1.1% or 1%, it's going to make euro to be strong. Based on what I can see here, analysts are saying that it's going to be strong because previous data is 0.6%. Analysts are saying that it could turn out to be 1.1. If this happens, euro will be strong on Wednesday. Okay, and then if you see a figure lower than 1.1, then euro will be weak. Then all these are just sentiments, okay, no consensus attached to it. Then inflation rate year over year, we have it by 1 o'clock on Wednesday for euro. If the inflation rate turns out to be higher than 2.4, then euro will be massively strong on Wednesday. So watch out for this. I'm expecting euro to gain the strength to the upside on Wednesday. But for Tuesday, that's when I see AUD USD gaining some strength. But for Monday, I see euro dropping with this news. Then on Thursday, we have unemployment rate for euro early in the morning. And here we're seeing that unemployment rate could be higher than expected for Italy, to be precise. And if unemployment rate is higher on Thursday, okay, we're anticipating euro to be weak on Thursday if that happens. But if we see a figure lower than 7.3, then euro will be strong. Okay, the same with unemployment rate in Euro Central, unemployment rate in Greece. Okay, very, very important. Over here, Euro Central wants, analysts are saying that it could be what? Like before, the last data, it is going to be neutral. Okay, while for Greece, they're saying that it's going to increase by not 1%, okay, which is 0.1%, higher than the previous data of 10.2%. If this happens, euro will be weak on Thursday. Okay, then on Thursday, we have continuous jobless claims, GDP growth for dollar, goods trade balance, and initial jobless claims. The one you need to focus more on is initial jobless claims and goods trade balance. Goods trade balance has to do with total imports minus total exports in United States of America, and initial jobless claims has to do with those who has applied for jobless claims, okay, in United States of America. For the past 2 weeks, my friends, dollar has been performing very well on the initial jobless claims. People has been getting jobs. The number of people saying that they don't have jobs has been reducing. So I'm anticipating this could be what? A strength for dollar on Thursday. Okay, and this could be a weakness for euro on Thursday. Okay, so watch out for this. For the past 2 weeks, this is something I have been studying every week. I've been following it every week. For the past 2 weeks, dollar has been showing some strength in the what? In the jobs market. Okay, and also in the import market, import and export market. So if this stays strong again on Wednesday, on Thursday, then we're going to see more strength in dollar. Chukwuka says, sir, can you explain more when you say a currency is strong or weak? Okay, I'm going to do that. And then I can see another question by Okore Opara. How can I know or verify the percentage? Which percentage, Opara? How can you know or verify which percentage? Please be specific. I'm going to answer your question. Chukwuka, can you explain more when you say a currency is strong or weak? Okay, let me go to the chart and explain it, guys. Okay, so let me delete this. Okay, no, I can just leave it as well. Type over here euro USD. Okay, so When I say a currency is strong, it has to do with that this particular currency is being bought. If I say euro is strong, people are buying it. If I say euro is weak, people are selling it. Okay? One thing you should know is that when I say euro is strong, I'm expecting euro to start what? Creating buy momentum on the charts. What is the chart? What we trade is the chart. Okay? So I'm expecting euro to have buy pressure once the gain strength, okay, dollar will gain strength and start what? Selling against euro USD. Okay, that's what I mean when I say a currency is strong and a currency is weak. You can even read more. Okay, if you go to this particular sentiment, this particular fundamental news, Shokoka, and click on it on my FX book, okay, with your laptop or your phone. Okay, once you click on it, you come over here, you can read. Let me not read all these grammar. It's too much. Bullish for euro. A higher than expected figure. This is the expected figure. If we see a figure higher than 90.3, where are you going to find? If we see a figure higher than 90.3, then euro will be strong. That's what this information is telling us. Okay, a higher than expected figure should be seen as positive for euro, while a lower than expected figure should be seen as negative for euro. So if we see a figure lower than 90.3, by what time? 9 a.m. tomorrow morning on Monday, euro will be weak. If we see a figure lower than it, euro will be weak. So when we say euro will be weak, we're expecting euro USD to sell. Okay, we're expecting euro USD to sell. We are expecting everything that has to do with euro here. Let me go to my euro pairs. Everything that has to do with euro here. Euro JPY will sell. Euro GBP will sell. Euro AUD will sell. Euro NZD will sell. Euro CHF will sell. Euro CAD will sell. Because what? Euro is weak. It has to do with all the other currencies combined with euro. It's common sense, guys. It's common sense. Okay, so let's round up with the last one. Guys, remember, the countdown is on. By 10 p.m. this evening, our mentorship for a month on our website will be closed for 10,000 naira. You have the chance to pay 10,000 naira now and gain access to our mentorship on our website. If the price is going back to 72,000 naira, once it is 10 p.m. today, grab this opportunity, send payment to our company account, reach out to me on WhatsApp. Let me drop the company account on the comment section now before I continue. I'm going to drop the company account on the comment section now, and I'm going to share it here on the screen. You can make payment of 10,000 naira and enroll for our training right now. We're paying to the company. We have a company account on UBA. I'm sending the account details now on the comment section. Once you pay your 10,000 naira, reach out to me on WhatsApp with your receipt. Then I'll collect some details from you, and then you'll be able to gain access to our academy and mentorship with me. You're going to have online access with me on Zoom. Okay, and also you're going to have one-on-one access to me. If you're in Enugu, we'll have one-on-one face-to-face access. Okay, this is our account number displayed on the screen right now. Countdown, 20 minutes left for you to pay 10,000 naira and enroll for our 1 month package. As I'm talking to you, I already received 2 payments this evening. Okay, I already received 2 payments this evening, and once this meeting ends, I'll go and verify those who made the payment, and then I'll be able to enroll them for our academy. Okay, so don't dull on this discount. Why I did this is because for the past 2 weeks, we have grown our community from 199 up to 415. Okay, and out of the extra 215 people that joined our community, 10 persons has paid. They have paid fully. They paid for 1 month package, 72,000. Another person paid for 3 months package and 6 months package, up to 320,000 or so. And then I have a list of 15 persons who have been pleading with me. They have 5,000 naira. they have 15,000 naira, they have 10,000 naira, they want to join our program. I discussed with my business partners, okay, and I said, okay, let me offer this discount opportunity in conjunction with a free class yesterday at a seminar. We did a seminar yesterday on YouTube. We offer this opportunity for you to pay 10,000 naira and enroll for our 1 month training. This is going to show me how hungry you are. If you're hungry enough, you're going to learn, you're going to practice what you've learned, and you're going to make more money to pay and advance your learning process. So grab this opportunity. 18 minutes left for you. Once this window ends, I'm not taking any other payment for 10,000 naira for a month. The original price goes back to 72,000 naira. The account number is on the screen right now. For those who have paid, if you don't have my number, reach out to me on WhatsApp right now. I'm dropping it on the comment section. Just reach out to me with your name and the receipt of your payment, and then we're going to what? Sign you up on our website. Your learning process starts immediately this evening because our courses are pre-recorded. Okay, and once you join, if you're watching this video right now, once you join, take 3 learning processes. 1, learn and watch the video just like a movie, the way you watch a movie on Telemundo or Geo Night Geo Wide or whatever you people watch. Okay, I don't watch TV much. Then the second time, you watch it and write what you're learning. You watch it and write what you're learning. Okay, and the third time, you watch the content and practice what you're learning. In this way, the information will sink. Even if they tap you and you're sleeping and they tap you and they ask you what is forex, what is broker, what is pips, you'll be able to answer it, even show them illustrations and also break it down very well for them. Okay, so with that said, I have one more question here by Atama. Atama says, sir, what if the expected ratio is by difference of 0.5 or by minus 0.5? Will it still have massive or any massive impact on any of the currency pairs? Okay, Atama, this is a very, very professional question you asked. Thank you for asking this question. And I'm giving you my own answer based on a book I have read. Okay, Atama, I'm going to give you my answer based on this particular question you asked. Okay, when it comes to fundamental analysis, news that affects the market, okay, we have top 5 news that affects the market. We have top 5 news that affects the market. Okay, and the top 5 news that affect the market is: number 1 is non-farm payroll. Non-farm payroll is the number 1 since 2007. Non-farm payroll has been on the leading board. Number 2 is CPI, inflation. Number 3 is interest rates. The banks giving interest rates. That's high impact news. I'm mentioning high impact news. Even if it is 0.1% difference, this is going to move the market massively, giving you 10 to about 50 to 100 pips movement. Okay, because it is just a trigger. It is a sign. It is more like an instruction, because this market is programmed by algorithms. Okay, so these algorithms trigger liquidity into the market with the help of fundamental analysis at a particular time. And this fundamental analysis, they have the ones that come with massive liquidity, they have the ones that come with medium liquidity, and they have the ones that come with low liquidity. So I was mentioning 5. I've mentioned non-farm payroll, CPI, interest rates, retail sales. Okay, are you guys there? Non-farm payroll, CPI, interest rate, retail sales, and goods trade balance. Anything has to do with jobs, okay? Non-farm payroll, interest rate, CPI, retail sales, and goods trade balance. These are high impact news. Even if the difference is 0.1%, it's going to move the market 10 to 50 pips, 50 to 100 pips. Okay, so I see another question here. Daniel is saying that I sent a signal on Thursday. We have been holding the signal, Euro GBP. should we keep the trade signals or should they close the trade? I'm still holding the trade. Okay, why I'm holding it and why I'm confident is that there is characteristics some currency pairs have. There is characteristics currency pairs have, and one of those characteristics currency pairs like Euro GBP has is that it is very sluggish in its movement. It is very sluggish in its movement. Okay, you guys can see over here we made massive profit with this profit. We placed this trade what on a Tuesday, guys. It took Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. On Friday, that was when it hit targets and everybody was happy and made profit. So Euro against GBP, hold your trades, hold your position. I'm still holding. Okay, this trade is going to hit our target this week. Okay, so hold your positions on Euro GBP. Don't bother about the negative news that will come on Euro. Okay, because it's going to also affect GBP. You're welcome, Atama. I hope I answered your question. You're welcome, Atama. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. So with that said, those who have not paid for our mentorship for 1 month, the window is still open. 13 minutes remaining. 10,000 naira to enroll for the 1 month training. Okay, once this opportunity passes, I'm not going to have Messi anymore. You have to pay the original price for the 1 month mentorship. It was too hard for us to make this decision. But why we made this decision is because of the condition of the country, Nigeria, okay? The inflation happening. So we want to give you guys a chance to be able to earn income with this new skill. And this is an opportunity for you to learn how to earn while you sleep. Forex trading, I earn while I sleep. So that's one thing I love about the skill. So let's round up the fundamental analysis. Then on Friday, we have retail sales month over month for Euro, Germany to be precise, by 7 a.m. Okay, if you see a figure higher than 0.1%, it's going to give Euro strength. Okay, but currently 0.1% is lower than 1.8%, which was the previous data. Okay, so since it is the previous data, then on Friday we're anticipating Euro to be weak. Okay, but once the actual news comes out by 7 a.m., then we can anticipate Euro to be strong. Okay, if it is higher than 0.1%. Then retail sales year over year for Euro as well, happening by 7 a.m. as well. Then we have Swiss CHF, retail sales month over month, retail sales year over year. Okay, the same with everything here. We see a figure higher than -1%, a figure higher than -1.1%, and a figure higher than 0.2% is going to make all these pairs, CHF and Euro, to be strong. But if the reverse is the case, Euro and CHF will be weak on Friday. Then we see inflation rates year over year, one of the most respected news. Okay, I respect this news very well. Inflation rate, CPI, okay, which has to do with consumer price index, the prices of you buying products and services. If you see a figure higher than 2.4%, it's going to give Euro strength on Friday. Okay, but if you see a figure lower than 2.4%, then it's going to give Euro what a little weakness on Friday as well. Okay, but currently, based on what analysts are saying consensus means that it is analysts are saying, they are forecasting, okay, that there is high chances that inflation is going to be higher than the previous data, because the last data of inflation in Europe, France to be precise, was 2.2%. And then if the inflation increased to 2.4% on Friday or higher, okay, Euro will be strong. Then unemployment rate, we always want the unemployment rate figure to be reduced. Okay, 6.5% is lower than 6.8%, which is good for Europe. If we see a figure higher than 6.5%, it is bad for Europe. But if we see a figure lower than 6.5%, it is good for Europe. Manufacturing PMI for Switzerland by 8:30 a.m. Then we see manufacturing PMI. If we see a figure higher than 43.5, it is good for Swiss franc. But if you see a figure lower than 43.5, it is bad for Swiss franc. Okay, but analysts are saying that it is going to be higher. Okay, inflation rate for Euro Central to be precise for May. Euro Central, this is year over year, and then for the month of May, inflation rate. If you see a figure higher than 126.2, it's going to make Euro strong by 10 a.m. West African time on Friday. Then we have retail sales year over year for Greece as well. If you see a figure higher than 1.5%, it's going to give Euro strength. A figure lower than 1.5% is going to give Euro weakness. Okay, there's a lot. This is going to be very, very complex on Friday because there's a lot of data. Okay, well, we're going to combine the data to be able to get a common value of what Euro is going to do. Then on Friday as well, we have inflation rate over here for euro, Italy to be precise. Then if you see a figure higher than 0.7%, it is going to be strong for euro. When a figure lower than 0.7%, it's going to be weak for euro. Then Canada, GBP, growth rate, okay? The growth rate in Canada is increasing rapidly. I believe that this figure is going to be higher than 0.6%. If that happens, Canada is going to be strong, okay? The currency of Canada is going to be strong. Then on Friday as well, to end up the week, we have core PCE and personal spending. I don't look forward to this news. I don't really give it attention more because it doesn't have high impact. Okay, on the top 10 high impact news, it doesn't give high impact at all. So with that said, let's move to the next segment of this particular seminar. So for everyone now watching this particular seminar right now, this is our copy trading account. Okay, I have been running this account on HFM since the month of February 18th, 2024. You can see this was when the account was launched. And when this account was launched, we made a deposit into the account, a deposit of $150, okay, into the account. And so far, we've been able to make withdrawal of $29.70, and we have been able to make a profit of this on this account of about $35.32. We're compounding this account gradually, and this is going to give everyone that wants to earn passive income in trading. Everyone wants to earn passive income in trading. You don't want to learn how to trade, or you currently trade but you want an extra source whereby if I'm trading and making profit, you'll be making profit as well. You can be able to connect to our copy trading. Okay, you connect to copy trading. But first of all, for you to connect to copy trading, you need to create an account with our broker HFM. Once you create an account with our broker HFM, you'll be able to now verify your account with your NIN. Once you verify your account with your NIN, then you connect your account to my own account. Minimum you can deposit is $25. Minimum you can deposit is $25. Once you deposit $25, then you connect your account to my own account. If I'm placing trades, okay, you'll be making profits if I'm in profit. If I'm in loss, you'll be in loss. At the end of the month, okay, or at the end of the week, whenever you make withdrawal of your profits, the broker HFM is going to send me a share, 45% of the profit, and send the remaining 55% of the profit to your account. That is the only amount you have to pay. Okay, that's the only amount you have to pay, the profit we made. So if I'm making profit for you, you should be happy to pay me a share of the profit. You should be happy to pay me a share of the profit. But if I'm not making profit for you, you cannot pay me. So my main interest is to make massive profit for you. Okay. My target here is to be able to grow this account, okay, by 100% before the year ends. Okay. If you can see, a lot of you might be saying, how many percent do we make monthly? Over here now, based on our data, we have been able to make 8.20% every month. Okay. Before this was about 10%. So this data is currently being updated regularly by HFM. Okay, if you also go into HFM and search for my name, Tony FX, you're going to see my account there. You're going to see my account there, and you can be able to track my records and the pairs I've traded, okay, so far. So this is an opportunity for you guys that want to earn from the trades I place. Okay, so Michael is asking a question. Michael says, on HFM copy trading, no daily withdrawal. No, we have daily withdrawal. Okay, you can withdraw anytime you want to withdraw, any single day. If we make profit of $2 for you today, you can withdraw your $2 that day. Okay, but in the process of withdrawing the $2, the broker will send you 55% of $2 and send me 45% of $2. Okay, but the minimum you can withdraw from your wallet on HFM is $5. Okay, the minimum you can withdraw to your bank account, directly to your bank account without any restriction, is $5. Okay, yes. So with that said, I hope I've been able to answer your question. 5 minutes to go, guys. 5 minutes to go. The account number is on the screen right now. To enroll for our mentorship, 10,000 naira for a 1 month mentorship on our website. This is our website, and this is what you'll be getting. Okay, this is our website. This is our crypto academy, 10x digital lane crypto academy. This is what you'll be getting. You'll be getting access to our forex beginner course. You're getting access to our forex pro course, our strategy. Okay, I also be getting access to our crypto education as well. Before this month ends up, we're working with our website guy to add indices. A lot of people have been telling me to add indices. We will add indices to it, whereby you can trade US 30, NAS, and so on and so forth. Okay, so 4 minutes to go, guys, for you to enroll for this opportunity. 4 minutes for you to enroll for this opportunity. Okay, so I can see. Okay, I can see that some people are making payments. Okay, wait, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys what the website is all about. Let me show you guys our website properly and what you're getting access to. Okay, so let me log in. This is our website for everyone that wants to learn. Okay, Michael says he has seen our website so far that they are good records. They are good. He has gone through our website. Okay, Ezuku Valentine, I can see that you sent payment. So Valentine, I have seen your receipt. You sent. We're going to reactivate your account and you can continue studying. Okay, wait, let me. Okay, so this is our academy. And if you log in like this, you then go to the academy, you go to crypto academy, go to crypto academy, then you see our courses 10x crypto academy. Then you also see our rise and grind. This is the free mindset build. Okay, if you want to enroll for our free mindset build, okay. So this is our mindset build. It's free of charge. You don't pay for this one. If you want free content, if you register on our website for free, okay, you gain access to this mindset build. Okay. Then if you want to learn our strategy, this is our strategy, Pro Forex. Okay, just four educations, four courses you need to focus on. Okay, over here, course, spring theory, market structure break and return to origin, and then risk management. This is only the four things you need to learn. If you're a pro trader, you don't want to learn the basics anymore. You just want to learn my strategy, learn the way we analyze the market and make profits on the market. This is the course you need to focus on. Okay, you just click over here, click on start lesson. Once you click on start lesson, the play button. Come over here and click the play button. Okay, once you click the play button, the course starts playing. Okay, so that's what you get. You get access to this education. Let me show you other things you get access to. Let me show you other things you get access to. Okay, other things you get access to is a guest trainer. We're inviting guest trainer from London and one guest trainer from New York to train you. Okay, the one from New York will be handling the beginner aspect. The one from London will be handling the pro aspect. Then we also get forex software files. Okay, we have indicators and softwares we use. We are going to send them to you. Okay, and then you can be able to use them to start trading in the market. Okay, time up for our discount is 10 p.m. right now. So if you want to pay for our course right now, the price is going back to $49. Okay, once I end this, I'm going to update the price over here, $49 for you to enroll. The discount is over, and then you can't pay 10,000 naira anymore to enroll for our 1 month program. So over here, this is also what you get. You get VIP signals. Okay, we are sending you VIP signals. You'll be added to our VIP group. In the VIP group, we're sending you VIP signals, and these VIP signals you can use them to be able to place trade in the market and make good profits. Okay, I can remember our student Nweke. He made his first profit of $61 the day he used our VIP signals, and he made withdrawal on that same day. Okay, so he just joined us about 3 weeks ago, and he was dedicated. He funded his account, he placed trades with our signals, and then he made profit. So that's why I'm telling you, I cannot determine the value. Okay, you can get 1000% returns of whatever you put into your account with our VIP signals. Okay, then you have free mentorship into our VIP group as well, the mastermind group, where you have other VIP traders and you can be able to communicate with them, interact with them, and be able to share ideas as well. You have one-on-one session with me. You have one-on-one session with you, one-on-one, whereby me and you will interact. If you have any challenges, you have any obstacles, you have any problems, you reach out to me, and then we'll be able to break things down for you. That's what the benefit of the one-on-one session is. If you even indulge yourself in a mistake and we have passed through such mistake, we can be able to help you what resist the mistake and be able to bounce back from such mistakes. Then you gain access to my new book, Forex Mastery, a guide to trading success. This book is more like a textbook to our academy. In this book, you have basic education, okay, breaking down every single aspect of our training, every single aspect of our courses, and every single aspect of our beginner program. Okay, so over here, when you're done learning from us, you gain access to our certificate, okay, of participation, which is more like a quiz, but you must be able to pass this quiz. Okay, once you pass this quiz, you gain access to our certificate of participation. This certificate of participation now is going to give you the leverage of what, showing to the world that you are now a profitable trader, because you're going to pass through a quiz, and this quiz is going to test you. It's going to test you definitely. Once you pass this quiz, then you're going to be able to what, stand out as a trader, a profitable trader. Then if you enroll for our training, okay, 6 months upwards, I'm going to update this is not meant to be 3 months. 6 months upwards, you get access to $5,000 account. We're giving you $5,000 as a startup account to start up your journey as a trader, okay, to be able to what, kickstart your trading journey and what, move forward to be able to achieve success in the forex market. Okay, this is more like a settlement money. Okay, we're going to set you with this money and you'll be able to what, use it to start making money in the financial market. I hope I have been able to break down the whole opportunities we have for you. Okay, making money in the forex market, there are millions of ways making money in the forex market. There are a lot of ways making money in the forex market, but you need to be dedicated to what, practice the ways you know, obey the instructions you're given, and you'll be able to get the results you need. So thank you so much for watching to this point. This is about 1 hour since we started this live stream. I appreciate your interactions, I appreciate your efforts, and I hope that you're able to strive to achieve profitability in the forex market. My name is Anthony Phillips Njoko, and my passion is leadership and financial freedom. What really makes me happy is to see the transformation in your life when you become less bothered about money and live the life that you love. Thank you. I wish you a profitable trading week. Peace. I hope you got value. If you got value, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and watch out for more content in our group chat. The link is going to be on the description. The link to our store is on the description. The link to our website is on the description. The link to contact me is on the description. Whatever you need, just go to the description and you get the information.